I'm Isabella Crespo, and I'm going to sing Do You Want to Whistle? So here it is. I hope you like my song. Elsa, do you want to build a snowman? Come on, don't play. I never seen you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you got away. We used to be best buddies, now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? If you don't, go away. Okay, bye. Elsa, do you want to build a snowman? Or write a back around the sauce? I think some company is overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the walls. It gets a little lonely. All these empty rooms just wanting me out and say hi. Do you want to listen? Elsa, please, I know you're in there. People ask you where you've been. People say, I've cursed you. I'm not here for you. Inside me, we only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? You want it so much. I hope you like my song. Bye. Mwah. Wanna see?